Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about NinjaTrader and TopstepX, and I will help you to decide which trading platform is better in 2025. So let's begin with NinjaTrader. It is a powerful trading platform known for its futures trading capabilities, order flow tools, and customizable strategy builder. You can connect with selected brokers or you can use the NinjaTrader's own brokerage. And now, TopstepX. TopstepX is the proprietary platform used by TopStep's funded traded program. It is designed to support simulation and evaluation for traders looking to qualify for funding. So let's compare both of them. Number one, their purpose. NinjaTrader is a standalone platform for real money trading, whilst the TopStep X is mainly used during the evaluation phase for funded accounts and not for the live trading on other brokers. Number two, their features. NinjaTrader includes real-time market depth, charting, and algorithm support, while TopstepX is much simpler. It is designed to mirror futures trading, but without the advanced toolset of NinjaTrader. Number 3, their interface. NinjaTrader is complex and powerful, while TopstepX is minimal, making it easier for evaluation purposes, but not ideal for advanced strategies. Number 4, their live account usage. Once you pass Top Steps challenge, you will likely switch to a platform like NinjaTrader or Tradovate for actual funded trades. So for final verdict, if you are evaluating for a prop firm account, TopstepX works fine. But if you want a actual long-term trading, NinjaTrader is more powerful and versatile. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.